Thinkverse.
Think cats only purr when they're happy? Think again. Cats do purr when they're relaxed, like when being petted or lying in the sun. But they also purr when they're scared or in pain. It's not just a sound, it may help them heal. Studies suggest the low-frequency vibrations can reduce stress and even promote bone healing. Cats are more amazing than you think. Water has oxygen, so why can't we breathe it? Our lungs are designed to take in oxygen from the air, not from water. Fish can breathe underwater because they have gills, which pull oxygen directly from the water. But humans don't have gills. If we try to inhale underwater, our lungs just fill with water, and that's dangerous. Even though water has oxygen in it, we can't extract it the way fish do. We simply aren't built for it. Pretty amazing how nature solves problems differently, right? Think giraffes evolved long necks for food? That's only half the story. Giraffes do use their long necks to eat leaves high up in trees, especially acacia. But that's not the only reason. Male giraffes also use their necks to fight. It's called necking. They swing their heads like hammers to compete for mates. So, longer necks can mean better chances in both feeding and fighting. Nature's multi-tool, right? What if black holes aren't just cosmic garbage disposals, but alien supercomputers? Some scientists think ultra-advanced aliens might have created black holes on purpose as quantum computers. These aren't just sci-fi fantasies. In 2020, theoretical physicists proposed that black holes can store and process information using the most efficient method known, entropy. Imagine a civilization so advanced, it uploads its consciousness into a black hole, compressing lifetimes of knowledge into a gravity well smaller than a city. Even Hawking radiation, the way black holes slowly evaporate, might be how they leak data back into the universe. If that's true, then some black holes might be thinking right now. What if we're just the side effect of one of their calculations? Wait, is that the moon? In the middle of the day? The moon is in the sky all the time, day and night. We just notice it more at night because the sky is dark. But during the day, if the moon is above the horizon and the sun isn't too bright, we can see it too. It all depends on the moon's position in its orbit and how sunlight hits it. So yes, a daytime moon is totally normal, and actually pretty common. Cool space fact, right? Follow for more quick science answers. What if I told you trees have their own secret internet? Deep beneath the forest floor, trees are connected by a network of fungi called mycorrhizae, nicknamed the Wood Wide Web. This network allows trees to share nutrients, send warning signals about pests, and even support weaker neighbors. Older trees, sometimes called mother trees, help guide young saplings by sending resources through this underground system. So trees share info through fungi networks, but do they gossip anonymously? Imagine tasting your food just by touching it. That's daily life for an octopus. Octopuses have special sensors on each of their suckers that detect chemicals in the water. So when they touch something, they're actually tasting it. It helps them hunt, explore their environment, and even avoid danger without using their mouths. Some scientists say their arms work almost like independent brains, with taste buds. So next time you shake someone's hand, be glad you can't taste it. Less than 1% of people know this. There's a place on Earth where gravity is broken. In Hudson Bay, Canada, gravity is actually weaker than anywhere else on Earth. Scientists think it's because of a massive glacier that melted and pushed down the Earth's crust. Even satellites have to adjust for it. If you stood there, you'd weigh slightly less than anywhere else. So if you weigh 53.2 kilograms, you'd actually be like 52.8 here. Someone asked, then why do fish suffocate out of water? Great question. Let's clear it up. Like smart questions like this one, smash that like button and drop your own. Fish can extract oxygen from water, but not from air. Their gills are built to pull dissolved oxygen from water passing over them. But in air, gills collapse, dry out, and stop working properly. It's like trying to inflate a balloon with a crushed straw. No flow, no oxygen. So yeah, fish don't drown. They suffocate, just like we would underwater. Sharks have a sixth sense, and it's literally electric. But how does it work? Sharks can detect tiny electric fields given off by other animals, even from a heartbeat. They use special gel-filled pores around their snout, called ampullae of Lorenzini. These sensors are so precise they can find hidden prey under sand or navigate using Earth's magnetic field. Forget blood in the water. Sharks can feel your heartbeat. Follow for more deep-sea science. This bird slams its head into trees 20 times a second and doesn't get a concussion. How is that even possible? Woodpeckers have evolved a shock-proof skull. Their spongy bone structure absorbs impact, and their brain is tightly packed to prevent rattling. Even their beak acts like a suspension system, redirecting force away from the brain. Plus, a special bone in their tongue wraps around the skull, adding extra protection like a seatbelt. It's nature's crash helmet, built right in. Still want to headbutt a tree? A mysterious space signal repeats every 157 days, and no one knows why. It's called FRB 121102, a fast radio burst detected from a galaxy 3 billion light-years away. But unlike other bursts, this one follows a schedule. It sends signals for 90 days, then goes completely silent for 67. Then, bam, it starts again. Like someone, or something, set a cosmic alarm clock. Scientists think it could be a magnetar, but some say it's a beacon from intelligent life. The signal is still being detected today. So what do you think? Is it nature, or a message we're not ready for? Your heart might literally dance to the beat of your playlist. Sounds wild? Let's break it down. If you're into cool science like this, give this video a like to keep them coming. Studies show your heartbeat and breathing can sync with music without you noticing. Slow, calm music lowers your heart rate. Fast, intense rhythms? Your pulse speeds up too. Even live orchestras can play in sync with each other's heartbeats. So yeah, your heart's got rhythm, and it's listening. You've been lied to your whole life, because bananas are berries, and strawberries are not. If food facts that mess with your brain are your thing, drop a like and keep watching. In botanical terms, a berry has to come from a single flower with one ovary, and have seeds inside the fruit. Bananas? Yep, check and check. But strawberries? They're rebels. They come from a flower with multiple ovaries, and their seeds are on the outside. So strawberries are aggregate fruits, not true berries. There's an animal that might have cracked the code to immortality, and it's not a sci-fi robot. It's a jellyfish. If weird nature facts blow your mind, tap that like button. More coming your way. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. When it's injured, stressed, or just old, it does something wild. It reverts its adult cells back to a baby stage, like pressing a biological reset button. Then it grows up again, and can repeat the cycle over and over. Scientists call it transdifferentiation, and no other animal does it quite like this. It might not be invincible, but it's the closest thing to eternal youth on Earth. Follow for more mind-blowing facts from the deep. One of Earth's biggest mountains? You'll never see it. It's buried in ice. Buried under 4 kilometers of Antarctic ice. The Gamburtsev Mountains are as big as the Alps, but they don't appear on any regular maps. Scientists can't explain how they formed. They should have eroded millions of years ago, but they're still there, untouched, unexplained. Imagine turning into soup and still remembering your past life. That's basically what happens when a caterpillar becomes a butterfly. If facts like this blow your mind, smash that like and stick around. During metamorphosis, a caterpillar dissolves into goo inside its cocoon. But in one study, scientists trained caterpillars to hate a smell. As butterflies, they still avoided it. That means some memories survived the transformation. It's like your brain rebooted, but kept your childhood trauma. So yes, butterflies might actually remember being caterpillars. Nature's memory card? Totally real. You literally wake up taller than you were last night. No, this isn't clickbait. It's physics. If weird body facts fascinate you, hit like and let's break it down. While you sleep, your spine decompresses. The cartilage between your vertebrae expands without gravity pressing down. That can make you up to 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters taller in the morning. But as the day goes on, gravity compresses your spine again. So yeah, the Earth literally weighs you down. Your height changes every single day, and you didn't even notice. You've heard of fingerprints, but what about tongue prints? Yep, your tongue is one of the most unique parts of your body. If weird body facts are your thing, hit like and let's dig in. Your tongue has its own shape, texture, and tiny grooves, like a fingerprint. It's so unique that scientists have explored using it for biometric ID. It's hard to fake, impossible to replicate, and always with you. So yeah, your tongue could one day unlock your phone. If you think light is the fastest thing in space, you're wrong. Follow now. This will break your brain. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. That's insanely fast, but not fast enough. The universe itself expands faster than light, and quantum entanglement, two particles react instantly and with zero delay. So no, light isn't the fastest thing. It's just the fastest we can see. Tap follow. Space gets weirder from here.
Thinkverse.